Struggling with creating engaging SEO optimized content quickly? Content AI, RankMath's AI-powered writing assistant integrated with WordPress with over 40 AI tools has helped tens of thousands of WordPress users grow their content exponentially. And now you can use it for free. Yes, you can use Content AI without a RankMath Pro account and without a Content AI subscription. All we ask of you is to have a free RankMath account and connect your site to it. How many credits will you get? Let's check it out. Hey, it's Jack from RankMath, the one WordPress SEO plugin that constantly strives to provide you with the fastest and the most cutting-edge SEO tools. And this channel is all about helping you grow your search traffic. So if you're new to us, consider subscribing. So how many credits will you get if you have a free RankMath account with no Content AI subscription? It's 750 credits per month for life, which means every single month we will inject 750 credits to your account forever. But the next question is, how does the credit system work, right? You see, every AI generated word is equivalent to 1 credit. So with 750 credits, the AI can generate up to 750 words. For now, I will share with you how I would utilize the credits if I am a free RankMath user. The first thing you need is a free RankMath account if you don't have it yet. I will go to rankmath.com and at the top right, click on My Account and then click on Register Now. You can create a free account either using your email or use one of these methods. Once your account is set up, the next step is to connect your site to the account. Go to your WordPress site, hover to RankMath SEO, go to its dashboard, and on the Help tab, right here, you can connect your site to the RankMath account by logging in the same way you have created the account. When your site is connected to the account, it's time to use Content AI. By default, the Content AI module is turned on when you install RankMath. But in case you don't see this module in the menu, on RankMath's dashboard, find a module and turn it on. Simple as that. So the free RankMath account is a requirement to use Content AI because the credits will be injected into your account every month. If this is your first time installing RankMath, I highly recommend that you check out this video because it is a tutorial to get your site SEO friendly in 9 steps with RankMath. So go check it out, but after this video. And now here's what I would do if I had 750 credits to utilize every month. There are a couple of things you can do with Content AI. You can use it for writing, researching, or doing SEO. Let's start with this. We have a detailed video about writing the best meta titles and descriptions right here. You can go check it out. The link is in the description as well. But now let me show you how you can benefit from it. So whenever you have completed your article, one of the things you can do to optimize for click-through rate is the meta titles and descriptions. On your WordPress editor, you want to click on the RankMath tab, and on the General tab, click on Edit Snippet so that you can edit the meta title and description. You can either do this manually by typing it out in the text boxes, or you can utilize your free Content AI credits to write it for you by clicking on the Generate with AI button. As soon as you click on it, Content AI will go to work automatically. To generate better meta information, you can tweak the input here and generate it again. With good input, you will get better output. But if you are happy with the generated meta information, you can click on Insert and they will be added to the meta fields. So that's using Content AI for SEO. Let's utilize the tool for content creation. Though you can't write long-form content the way I've shown you in this video, you can definitely use it to improve your workflow. First, when you need help writing your article, maybe you are in a writer's block, you can click on the text block. Over here, this is the command center. You can ask Content AI to write more, and it will analyze the text in the block and expand your content. Quite useful, huh? We are talking about making a garlic and onion spray, and it gives us the formula. Click on Use to add it as your content. And then if you have a paragraph that is difficult to read and understand, for example this, you can ask it to improve the paragraph for you. This is one of my favorite tools because most of the time, paragraphs that are difficult and hard to read and understand becomes easily consumable. And then you can ask Content AI to summarize if the text is too long, write an analogy if a paragraph has complex terms that is difficult to explain, or fix grammar. And then one cool thing you can do, is to utilize the right feature. Click on the Content AI tab and you will see the right feature. This is cool because it reads the prior 800 words from where your active cursor position is, and it will write based on what it reads and the instructions you have given. For example, here's my cursor and I want it to write a conclusion with your selected tones, add keywords if necessary, and choose the length for the AI generation. The short option will write 1 to 2 sentences, the medium option will write 3 to 4 sentences, and the long option will write at least 5 sentences. If I were you, I would save credits by selecting the medium option. And as you hit generate, it will start writing based on what it has learned as well as from your instructions. On top of these writing features, you can use all the tools available to paid users. There are over 40 AI tools for you to use, and they are categorized based on their use cases. Now, one highly useful tool from this list to utilize your free credits is the blog post outline tool. This will help speed up the process of writing and researching. If you are targeting this topic, you can share the ideas if you have any, add all these inputs, and it will provide you with a cool outline to be used for your blog. If you don't use the credits for anything else, you could generate 5 to 7 outlines per month. Also, if you are a YouTuber, the YouTube video description tool will be very useful. A good video description will help your video rank for many different related keywords. So you just have to add your main topic, which is the video title, select your audience, add the relevant keywords you wish your video to rank for, and it will generate awesome video description to be used on YouTube. Maybe you are not a YouTuber but a blogger who wants to expand your reach on different social platforms. You can use the Facebook post tool to quickly write a post description for you, or use the Instagram caption tool to generate a captivating caption quickly, which will save you a ton of time. An e-commerce store can forget about hiring a copywriter and use this tool to generate a sales optimized product description. Use the product pros and cons tool to help your customers justify why they should buy your product. No other SEO plugins offer this many AI features for free. With it, you can now leverage the power of AI without spending a single cent. Feel free to check them out. We do have knowledge-based articles for each tool to help you utilize them to their fullest potential. We have left links in the description, you can go check them out. Last but not least, you can use Content AI to do research. Just like ChatGPT or Googlebot, where you ask a question and it will provide you with answers, RankBot can do that for you too. As you click on the Content AI module, click on this icon and you will see RankBot. Or if you want a bigger view of the tool, you can visit the module, and on the chat tab, that's where RankBot is. We use multiple AI models along with our own algorithms, APIs, and specialized prompts to provide you with the best answers. Now, for example, if you have hired someone to write an article for you about rank math, and it says with rank math, you can effortlessly set up and maintain 301 redirects without the need for additional plugins or spend a single cent. And now you want to fact check it. You can ask RankBot, does RankMath provide 301 redirect feature for free, and do you need to install an additional plugin for it? As you hit send, it will give you an accurate and factual answer. It goes way beyond just fact-checking and research. You can ask it to write an introduction, conclusion, a section, create an outline, analyze data, and many other SEO-related matters. So the 750 Content AI credits we provide you every month is a token of appreciation for being a RankMath user, and we hope it can provide you with some assistance. But if you truly want to grow your website with the help of AI, we highly recommend that you get one of the Content AI plans. You can visit this link to get it. The link is in the description as well. Anyway, we hope you enjoy using those free credits. How about smashing that thumbs up button for the entire team? And if you haven't subscribed to us yet, do so to keep yourself updated with the latest SEO developments. This is Jack from RankMath. I'll see you soon.